Okay. That's okay.
I'm too little.
Yeah.
I'm too little to go to run. Are we going on rides? Are we going to no, Daddy, that's like you.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead, I'll go first.
Yeah. That's right. You're not. We go in a special waiting area. Yeah.
Little labyrinths, come close. I won't hurt you. Yet. I sense fear in your hearts. You are right to be afraid. Darkness lies ahead. Now is the time to abandon hope.
I am Egor. My job is to get you through this experiment in one piece. But Egor, I hear you say, where's the fun in that? I agree, you delightful freak. Sadly, this is not that kind of experiment. Look closely. This is a Timecodes navigation unit. All your little lab rats and your little lab rat friends get to ride one. Use it. Egor steers. Nothing goes wrong. Yes? Don't look at that. This is just the emergency feature function. According to plan. You're bothering our guests. I'm ready for that. Yes, Doctor. The doctor will see you now. This is fun, yes?
Dr. Victoria Frankenstein. Today, you chosen few will witness my greatest discovery yet. Together, we will finish what my great-grandfather started. They called Henry a monster. They were afraid of what he had done. But you will see, there's nothing to fear. Show them.
At once, Doctor.
Lower the lights. These people are friends. See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing. Better than the original. He is the key to our most exciting experiment. For years, I have studied and controlled the monsters that prowl the darkness. And only one remains. I will control my ultimate challenge. Count Dracula. Calm yourself! That wasn't us.
Silence, creature. I will destroy you when you're
These two just don't get The Dracula experiment is the last piece of the puzzle. And with your help, the world will never see the name Frankenstein the same again. Open the doors! Our greatest victory is just through there.
Wait, you can just
Yeah. Yeah.
How did you open the door?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so we'll hold each other's bags. Sorry, I just thought that was like
Oh, yeah. 100%.
If you are experiencing any of the following: heart conditions or abnormal blood pressure, back
Oh.
Take my bag.
Yep.
Thank
So,
you. Where do I go?
Straight ahead. Are an expectant mother.
so, if you're ever coming into any of the Universal Studios parks, they do a really cool thing where Dallas and I were able to line up together. We're able to walk through the actual queue so we can experience the queue itself. But Willow is too small to ride this ride. So where we are at the moment, we're in what we call a family room. In this family room, you've got a toilet, a TV, and you can take a seat. So the whole idea of it is when Dallas finishes off the ride, she comes through the door, and then we swap, and then I can go on the ride. So this way Willow can stay in here, she can watch TV, and then we just swap. So that's basically what's going to happen. And they do this on all Universal Studio rides. They've got this special room for parents. It's just a really, really, really great idea. Oh.